knows me very well. And when she kissed me, it was just like she used to kiss me. The taste. Strawberries. None of that matters, Peter. You're my friend. Best friend.